Yeah, that's when you get your face.
Guard your face. Come on. I don't think the game started yet.
No, this is just training.
Just training?
Okay. Guard your body. In front of your torso. And then tilt them inward.
What? Like this? Yeah! Are you punching his glove?
Okay, here we go. Dodge punches, side to side dear. Miss, dodges punches. Like this, dodges punches.
Come here. Fight! Yes!
Hit him in the head. Come on, dear, in the face. Go, go. Come on.
Ow!
You almost got him. You almost got him. Go, go, go. You almost got him. Keep going. Kill him. Kill him.
You're like, what? Huh?
He's up.
This is like an exercise.
Go.
Go.
Take him down. You got a minute. Go, go. Hurry. Face.
Go. I'm tired.
Go, go. In the face. In the higher, higher.
Higher. You guys punching gloves again.
Go, dear.
In the face.
End of round 1. Take a break. Okay, get up. Get ready. Go, go. In the face. Hurry, you almost got him down.
I'm trying. Yes! Don't get happy when you turn. Goes down. Oh!
Hurry.
Hell!
Face, dear. All face. Come on.
It's not going! Up higher.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going. There, you got him.
I swear, if you get up now, he's like in the fetal position.